Hey, Machinery Pete here, folks. It's Saturday, November 12, 2011, and I just finished up here at a real nice farm retirement auction today in Argyle, Wisconsin. And I've got a couple beauties for you today, folks. A John Deere 7000 6-row planter and a John Deere 4430 with about 6,100 hours on it. Pretty strong prices. Let's go take a look. Hey, Machinery Pete here, folks. I'm with Bob Schutz from Argyle, Wisconsin, and it's Bob's auction today on November 12th, 2011. And Bob, you got a heck of a beautiful day for the sale here.
We lucked out.
You ordered up this 60-degree weather today?
Yeah.
Awesome. I thought
we put the order in about July.
Well, you planned it just right, because it was a great day for the sale, and you have a fantastic line of machinery here.
Thank you,
Bob. I can tell the quality of care you've given it. That's been an important part of your operation over the years.
Yes.
Just tell me about that with say tractors, how you care for them over the years.
Everything, we just kept it washed always.
Okay.
At least twice a year.
Right.
And waxed the hoods and fenders.
Right.
The flat areas.
Sure. Okay. Now we talked a little bit about before that you got quite a few phone calls leading up to the sale here. Has that been going on for the last week or so?
Yeah, probably the last 2 weeks.
Okay.
We have been, well, the wife has turned into secretary.
Okay. And your wife, is it June? Is that
June? Yes.
Okay, awesome. Now, what would you say you got the most calls on?
The combine.
Okay.
And the 4430.
4430.
Tractor.
Okay. And have most of the calls been local folks, or have you had some from outside the area?
Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, Stevens Point.
Okay.
Milwaukee.
That's getting a ways away.
3 or 4 from Iowa.
Okay. Now tell me about the combine, Bob, the 7720 Titan 2. You bought that 8-9 years ago?
Yes.
Okay. From down in Illinois,
down
did you say?
Illinois,
okay.
Yes.
And that's been a real good machine for you?
Yes, excellent, excellent.
And it has like 3,000 hours, were you
saying?
Yes. Okay. And then how about the 4430? How long have you had that one?
I've had that about 13 or 14 years.
Okay. And
I bought that used over at Cuba City.
Okay. And that has a little over 6,000 hours on it?
Yes, 6,100.
Okay. So that 4430 has been a good solid tractor for you over the years, huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a good tractor. Okay. Real good tractor.
And how about
We've had no trouble with it.
How about the planter, the 6-row 7000? You've been getting some calls on that too?
Yes. A lot of activity, calls.
I've had a lot of people at the sale
local
today.
People.
Okay.
Looking at it.
Okay.
Where they drove here.
Right.
We got calls on it too, but we had a lot of people looking.
Right. Well, it sure is a beautiful day, and we're glad we were able to come out and meet you, Bob. And
I'm glad you came.
It's fun to
fun
to watch your machinery. It's fantastic condition,
Good.
and hopefully have a great sale today.
Thank you very much.
Right, thanks, Bob.
Pretty one. All right, that's good. All right, Bob went through it. Where you at, Bob? Okay, you went through this, what, last year? 2 years ago? He rebuilt the units, he put new chains on it, he did whatever it needed to be done, he does it. I mean, that's the way it is. He sends it up to John Deere, gives him a blank check, and says, here, fix it. Won't you do it? All right. All right, here we go, guys. 100 acres a year is all he ever planted with it, guys. Yep. 100 acres a year. All right, come off a small farm. That's where she's been all her life. Did you buy a new Bob or? Okay, second hand. Okay. All right, very clean, boys, just the right kind. All right, who'd you 10 grand for? 10,000. And $2,000, $3,000. Now 4, now 5, and now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, 9,000, 85, $8,000, 85. Ready to pass out? 85, now 9. 85 and now 9, 85 and now 9, 9 with a good 9, now 9 with a good 9, I got 85 here, now 9, 85 and now 9, 7 and a half, and now 9, 87, 50 with a good 9, now 2 and a half, $9,000, 92, never a good $9,000, 92, never a good $9,000, 92 and a half, $9,000, 92, never a good 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 99, 98 with a 99, 90 with a 9, 99 with a 9, 98 with a 99, 98 with a 9, 99 with a 9, 98, 99, 98 with a 9, 98, now 9, 98 with a 99, 98 with a 99, 98, 99, 98, 99, 98 with a 99, sell them, Joe, 9,800. Number 1, he was here early. Okay, pull up. What was that break? Throw those in on the deal.
Hey, 6194 quad range, 1977.
77 model with $6,000 on it, guys. We're going to sell the duals separately. We left them on, but we will sell those separately. I've had a couple of requests to do that. We're going to sell the tractor first, then the duals and the weights, and we will not put it all back together. You're going to have to buy it separately if you want it done that way. Okay? Bob will help you take the duals off. We'll help you take the duals off if they go separately. All right? As nice as a 4430 as we've ever had a chance to sell. She's really a baby doll, guys, so here we go. All right, you've all looked at it, you've been around it, you've touched it, and here we go, guys. All right, we're going to go back there and get 25,000. And 25, 25, we're going to get 25, 25, we're going to get 25, 25, 10, 15. $10,000, $15,000, 10, we're going to get 15. Turn right, to right, Danny. And we're going to get 15, 15, now 50, you got 15, 20. 15, we're going to get $20,000, 15, we're going to get 20, 20, 15, we're going to get 75. 15, we're going to get 75, we're going to get 15,000, 75, we're going to get 20 pounds to 75, we're going to get 20 down, 25. 20, we're going to get 22, we're going to get $20,000, 22, we're going to get $20,000, 22, 5. $20,000, we're going to get 22, we're going to get 20,000, who get 21,000? $20,000, 21. $20,000, $21,000 to 20, but $20,000, hi big boy. $20,000, 20, moment to 20. Who's that hot chick next to you? $20,000, 21,000. 20 in a moment to 20, 20, moment to $20,000, $21,000 to 20 down 1. $20,000, $21,000 to 20 down 1. Moment to 20 in a moment to $20,000, 21,000. 20 in a moment to 20, 20, moment to $20,000, $21,000 to 20 in a bar. $20,000, 21. I don't want to scold you boys, but I'll tell you what. If you could find another one in a 4-state area that looked like that, I'd sure like to go take a look at it. I haven't seen one in 5 years that looked like that. 20,000, 21,000, 20,000, 21,000, 20 down 1, $20,000, 21,000 to 20 no more, but I get 20, 20 more, but I get $20,000, 21,000, 20 no more, but I get 20 more, but I get $20,000, 21,000 to 20 no more, $20,000, 21,000 to 20 no more, but I get 1 no more, but I get $20,000, 21,000, 20 no more, but I get 20, 20 more, but I get 20 no more, but I get 20, 20 more, but I get $20,000, 21,000 to 20 no more, 21,000. Anybody else? 20,000, 21,000, 20, 21, 20 to 21. You want to get 20,500? 20,005, 21,000, 21,000, 21,000. I'll guarantee you one thing, you will not find one any cleaner than that. 21,000. It is a dandy, boys. 21,000. 21,000. Money's not worth anything. Those John Deere tractors are worth a bunch. 21,000, 21,000, 21,000, 20,500, 21, 20,500, get 21,000, 21, 21, but get 21, 21, but get 20,000, buy it now, 21, 21,000. I'll tell you what. Hey, Creighton,
Yo!
tell them I'll throw the drills in for 21,000. And I'll throw the weights in for 21,000. Just to him. 21,000. You get the duals and the weights. 21,000.
I don't know. Get Dwayne over here so we can have consultation.
You're talking to the wrong girl again.
Yes,
21,000,
right.
20,500, I get 21,000.
Yes.
Now 5, 21,5. She all goes together. 21 now 5, 21 to the minute 5, I get 5, now 5, I get 5, 21, 21, 5, 21 to 5, 5, 5 to 5, 21, 21, 5, 21 to 5, 5, 5 to 5, 21 now 5. Want to get 2.5? 21, 2.5, Dan. 21, 2.5, 21, 21, 2.5, and I sold the tractor for 21,000. Goodbye. 21,000. Thank you both.
158. 158.
158. 25, and 25, where 25, I got 25, 25, I got 25, 10, 15,000, here we go. Hey, I got $15,000, 10, I got 15, 10, I got $15,000, 10, I got $15,000, 10, I got 15, I got 15, 10, I got 15,000, 10, I got $15,000, 10, I got 15, 10, I got 15, I got 15, 10, I got $15,000, 10, I got 15, 10, I got 15, 10, I got 15, 10, I got 15, 10, I got 15,000, 10, I got 15,000, 10, I got 15, 10, I got 15,000, 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 10, I got get 15, 10 minute get 15, down, dollar, 10 minute get 15, 10 minute get 15, down, dollar, 10 minute get 15,000, 10 minute get 15, down, dollar, 10 minute get 15, 10, 11, 12, 11, get 12, get down, 11, 12, 12, down, 15, down, dollar, 12 minute get 13,000, 12 minute get 13, 12 minute get 13, down, dollar, 14,000, down, down, 14, minute, 14, down, down, 13, 14, 15, 15, minute, 15, 15, 16, minute, 16, 17, 17, minute, 18, 18, 19, 18, minute, 19, down, down, 18, minute, 19,000, 18, minute, 19, down, down, 18, minute, 19, minute, 19, now 18, minute, 19, 18, minute, 19, down, 20, down, now 20, 20, 1, 2, 2, and a 2, and a 2, and a 2, and a 2, now 30, 30, 30, 30, 22, 23, 22, down, 30, 30, 30, 30, 22, I take 22.5. 22.5. 22 now 5, 5, 5, now 5, 22 now 5, 22 now 5. Tell them hey, great.
Yeah.
I'll throw the manual in for 22.5.
22.5.
What again? And the fuzzy dice get thrown in. 22 now 5. 22 now 5. 22 now 5, 5, 5. 22 now 5. 22 now 5. Now 23,000. Now 5. 23 now 5. 23 now 5, 5.
More manuals?
Not right now, I don't. 23 now 5. 23 now 5. If I come up with another one, I'll get you. 23 now 5. 23. 23.5. Nice combine, boys. 23. 23.5. 23 now 5. 23, 23, 5, 23 na 5, 5, 5 na 5, 23, 23, 5, 5, 5 na 5, 23, 5 na 5 na 5, 23 na 5, 23, 5 na 5 na 5, 23, 23, 5, 5, 5 na 5, 23, 23, 5. You'll drive your wheels off your car to find a one like that, boys. 23, 23, 5, 5, 5, 5 na 5, 23, 23, 5, 5, 5 na 5, 23, 23, 5. So the combine, $23,000.